everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about shelving. But beforehand, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click that red button right down here. It says subscribe on it, and when it turns gray, a little bell pop up next to it. Click on the bell and select how you want to be notified. You might want to select all, that way you get notified every time I post a new video and you don't miss out on any of these. All right, shelving. Now, I have in the past made several live stream videos and a couple recorded videos about shelving, both here on GrayManPrepping and on my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound. All right, shelving is what you store stuff on. And if you're having food and stuff to store, you want to have it up where you can see everything you have and are able to get at it. Shelving, there's a lot of different ways of shelving. There's plastic shelving, prefab, you just put it together. There are the metal rack shelves that come with the markers on it so you can adjust the height on them. There's the ones like it you can get that are miniature versions of what they have at Home Depot and Lowe's and Costco and Sam's Club. They're big rack ones, but they're only 6 foot long instead of 12 foot long. There are a lot of different types of shelving you can do. You can build your own out of wooden, 2x4s, plywood, particle board. You can actually use the prefab fabric brackets to hang it on the wall, and then you can adjust your shelves up and down for whatever size items you need to store on it. But shelving is a good way to keep track of your preps and your other supplies, and to keep them organized where you can see how much you have and be able to do a quick audit of it so you know what you need to get. Shelving can really help you out when it comes to your preps. All right, so take care no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't do anything foolish, and most important, keep on prepping, and I'll see you in the next video.